Welcome. Today we are going to walk through the short process of replacing the filter in the Haas 1200 series electric water cooler. Tools that you will need include a Phillips head screwdriver as well as a rag or paper towels. Take caution not to damage the circuit board located behind the filter during the following steps. Begin by removing the 4 screws holding the skirt to the bottom of the frame using the Phillips head screwdriver. Then remove the skirt by sliding the skirt out and away from the cooler. Take note that for dual units, the filter is always on the right side low unit. Place a towel or bucket below the cooler to collect the small amount of water that may drip from the filter head or filter during the next steps. Turning off the water supply for the following steps is entirely optional. Note the filter's label position before removing. Remove the old filter by turning it a quarter turn counterclockwise and pulling down. The old filter can now be disposed of by normal means. On the new filter, note that the label orientation is facing left when inserting it into the filter head, and the small round RFID tag is facing right. Install the new filter by pushing up and turning it clockwise until it stops. When installed correctly, the label will be facing outwards towards you. After this has been done, quickly wipe down any water that may have sprayed from the filter head during replacement. Note, if you are leaving the unit for a protracted amount of time without a filter installed, that we strongly suggest shutting off the water supply. Be careful not to scratch the black plastic parts behind the bowl when reinstalling the louvered skirt onto the fountain. You will once again need the Phillips head screwdriver that you used to uninstall the screws. The use of a stubby Phillips head screwdriver may be better suited for the area between the bottom of the fountain and the floor and may make installation easier. Using a cup to block the water flow, bleed air out of the bubbler head and bottle filler if applicable, by activating the water flow until the air is purged and you have a steady stream of water. Run one of the bubblers on the fountain for at least 10 minutes to properly flush the filter. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team at 1-800-766-5612.